Okay, Thanksgiving, 1 week earlier, Friendsgiving, even better. We got a turkey from a turkey farm, a local turkey farm. I wanted to make sure we had plenty of turkey. I went big. I got a 30-pound bird down the street, 30 minutes away, and special things get special treatment. This turkey, look at this. Look at that. 30 pounds. Look at that. Been brining it. The brine's got salt, water. We did a 1/4 cup of Worcestershire sauce, clove of garlic, cracked pepper, herbs. Had a nice little poultry herbs, you know, thyme, rosemary, the sage. That's good. They were fresh. Put that in there. You look up turkey brining, it's there. It's 5 ingredients. You can't really mess that up too much. Kept it in a cooler full of ice. It's cold out regardless this time of the year, so we were good. I put a couple weights on it, making sure no little raccoons stole my bird, and let's go. So we gotta dry this off, and then we dry rub it. So we just mixed it all up, and I did a double recipe. This was a 14 pound turkey, so half of it. I'm at 12 tablespoons, which is a ton. Big mixing bowl, almost half full of dry spices here, but 12 tablespoons, garlic powder, onion powder, kosher salt, paprika, chili powder, cracked pepper, brown sugar to get the glaze. A little bit Old Bay, probably doesn't even count because I ran out and didn't have much of it. There's no herbs in this mix, I guess you could notice that. This has a basic ingredient list, and this is kind of just your general chicken mix. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna mix it up and then get this bird dried off and get it dry rubbed. Okay. Juices are coming out. 30 pounds. 30 pounds. Gives you a solid workout. Save those giblets for the gravy later. I don't go hunting, so this is as big as we're getting here on this kitchen counter. That's nice. This place already decked it out for you. Tucked the legs in. We hit that 2-day brine. All that kosher salt and other nice ingredients should have really absorbed into the meat and the skin and tenderized the skin for sure. So it's important now to get it all as dry as possible so those dry rub ingredients will hold on and adhere and roll out smoothly on the skin and give you the ultimate taste when you're done there. We're definitely not stuffing this bird. A 30-pound turkey. I went on Reddit, I did my homework. Nobody says you stuff a 30-pound turkey. Obviously you'll never cook it. It'll never get cooked. And even this, I was tempted and still am to rip that backbone off and spatchcock this turkey because that really will guarantee that the cooking time doesn't go a crazy amount or anything, so. Oh yeah. Get the obliques. Make sure the core is ready when you're flipping that bird. But this is to nourish your family and friends. This dry rub smells delicious, as you would expect. Got lots of it, so we're just gonna go straight on. Nothing fancy. Dump it on the top and work your way down. I feel like you cook a turkey once a year if you're the one even cooking it, so you really don't remember what the hell happened last time or how it went. Then this time, because such a big bird, makes you a little more nervous that more could go wrong. All right, we gotta flip it now, I'd say. Ready. We're halfway through. So it's worth it. It's all about Thanksgiving. I don't think there's any real game plan here. Just make it rain. Lots of work to do here. She's a beautiful girl. So here we are, cooking day, recap. Bought this bird on a Wednesday. That night, we brined it, let it sit for 2 days. Friday, took it out of the brine, rubbed it all dry, put the dry rub on it. Now that sat for a day on a rack, nothing on it to kind of let it all air out, get as much of that moisture out of it, let the dry rub adhere to it as well as it could. We're ready to go. Letting this thing sit for 30 minutes before we bake it. A typical bird at about 12 pounds is at about 4.5 hours. This is over 2 times the size, 2.5 times the size. I have to imagine it's 6 hours. There's really not a lot of clear information. You gotta know when to put it in. It's early. We're having a 3 o'clock party. We wanna eat around 4. I'm putting this in at 9:45. 6 hours, 325. That's what we're going for. This will have to then sit for 30 minutes easily once you're done cooking it. Fingers crossed. Let's see what happens. We're going for it. Got a 6-hour timer on this oven, never been done before. Here we go. Get your abs, get your hips. All right, bye-bye. 1 hour, uncovered, then we hit the tin foil, and the last 45 minutes to an hour, uncovered again. This 30-pound turkey, 6.5 hour cook time. Maybe at 6:45, I did 7, but this is really about a 6.5 hour process. Prepare for that. 30 minutes to cool down. You're at 7 no matter how you're looking at it. Plan accordingly, boys and girls.